My name is Carsten Dongermuth. I'm the head of the region APAC, so the general manager for the Asia-Pacific region.
Myself is Richard Jung from Korea. My company is the distributor of INNIO Jenbacher. This week, let's say, is amazing because, first hydrogen engine and then will operate soon, and therefore, yes, quite impressive. For the Asia-Pacific regions, it's first hydrogen engine. We can test it. I'm proud of it very much.
This is a very successful week for all of us. We are very proud to have the customer here for the entire week. So everyone is very excited, and we are at the test bed, we are in meeting rooms, we are discussing the future of hydrogen in APAC. And it's really a great development to see when we kicked off the project a couple of months ago and sending very soon the engine to Korea. This is indeed a lighthouse project for entire Asia. We raised a lot of attention already in the market, and we are very happy as INNIO Jenbacher that we are now having the first 100% hydrogen engine running very soon at the chemical plant in Korea.